Flossing is used to remove debris from in between the teeth. So when you brush your teeth, the toothbrush bristles don't go right in between your teeth. So the floss, you can pass in between the gaps in between your teeth and remove debris and bits of food that can get stuck there. Pull out and cut off the reel of floss to about 18 inches or 45 centimeters. Wrap the ends around your 2 index fingers and stretch it between them so it's fairly taut. Leave about 6 inches in between the 2 fingers. Gently position the floss in between the teeth. Flex the floss tightly so it cups around the edge of one tooth in a C-like shape. Move the floss up and down to get rid of plaque. Repeat this for the tooth on the other side of the same gap. Repeat this process for all the teeth and the gaps in the mouth. Dispose of the floss. You should floss your teeth twice a day, morning and night, before you brush your teeth. So floss your teeth first and then use the toothbrush to brush away the debris. Bleeding gums is very common. If you don't floss your teeth and then you start flossing, you may notice that your gums are bleeding quite a lot to begin with. But don't give up. This is quite normal when you begin flossing. If you continue flossing, your gums will become healthy and stop bleeding. There are many different ways that you can clean in between teeth. Cleaning between teeth is called interdental cleaning. So flossing is one of the ways that you can clean in between your teeth. Other ways include things like interdental brushes and water flossers. So you should use the way that's most comfortable for you. If you have very tight spaces in between your teeth, you may prefer to floss. If you have larger gaps in between your teeth, you may decide to use an interdental brush. For interdental brushes, you have to pick the size of brush that is appropriate for the gaps in your teeth. If you have smaller gaps, you may have a smaller size such as a white or a pink, or for very large gaps, you may go for a larger size such as a grey. You can bend the interdental brush so that it fits in between your teeth. For example, if it's a back tooth, you may want to bend it to a right angle, and then you pass the brush in and out between your teeth until you remove the debris. You can give it a wash, or you can dip it in mouthwash as well, and continue cleaning in between all the gaps of your teeth. You may find that interdental brushes are more effective at removing the debris in between your teeth. However, if you can't get them in between your teeth and the spaces are too tight, then you may just be able to use the floss. You can use water flossers as well. You use the water flosser by placing the spout to the area in between your teeth and spraying the water in between the teeth. The force of the water will then displace any food debris from in between your teeth, and you can then brush your teeth. Water flossers can be good for hard to reach places such as underneath dental bridges and around implants.